Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our journey through the last period in history, the Modern Age. Today, we delve into the transformative era known as the Industrial Age, spanning from 1801 to 1901. This century witnessed groundbreaking changes that propelled countries to newfound wealth and growth. The Industrial Revolution marked the birth of modern industry, ushering in an era of innovation and progress. Countries harnessed the power of steam engines, mechanization, and mass production, forever altering the way goods were manufactured. Industries like textiles, coal, and steel became major players, transforming nations into economic powerhouses. The Industrial Age was a force that connected the world like never before. Steamships and railroads knit countries together, creating a global network of trade and communication. Electricity illuminated cities, and the telephone bridged distances. This period was an era of constant innovation, where ideas flourished and progress became the norm. Let's explore Teacher Joel's lesson on the modern age together.
Okay, let's read.
The
Industrial Revolution.
The Industrial Revolution was a period of major changes in way products are made. It was placed more than 200 years ago and greatly affected the way people lived as well as the way they worked. In earlier days, people made products by hand.
As we conclude our exploration of the modern age, let's express our gratitude for the profound innovations and transformations that have shaped our world. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, happy learning.